The purpose of this video series is to demonstrate the operation of Tecom's D1021 video doorbell. And today I'm going to show you how the bandwidth influences the quality of the video that the doorbell is streaming to a smartphone. Basically speaking, we can divide the call between visitor and doorbell owner into two parts. For both parts, minimum bandwidth requirement will be 1.5 megabit per second. During the first part, before the owner picks up the call, communication goes through cloud server in relay mode. During the relay mode, doorbell streams low frame rate video to the smartphones registered with the doorbell. This is when users can preview who is at their door and decide whether to pick up the call. Once the call is picked up, the second part of the call kicks in. At this stage, communication almost always goes in P2P mode. Video is streamed P2P at up to 30 frames per second with HD resolution. Video quality adjusts dynamically by the doorbell based on the bandwidth available. It works like this. When the doorbell delivers video, it will first detect actual network situation, and then it will deliver video image based on the video setting. For example, the user sets doorbell resolution at 1280p at 30 fps. In this situation, if the doorbell detects that the actual network bandwidth is 512 kilobit per second, it will use this bandwidth to deliver 1280p image. After a period of time, if the doorbell detects that the network changed to 1.5 megabit per second, it will automatically adjust to this bandwidth to deliver 1280p image. Understandably, the better video quality will be delivered at 1.5 megabit per second bandwidth.